Okay, let me just tweet about it and then we can start. I hope your weekend is going good. Mine is. I'm just enjoying this part, whatever this is. Not sure what it is, but yeah, it's going pretty good. That's okay. So, what we want to do is we haven't we have written the indexer but didn't actually index the data. So, what I want to do is I want to index the data. I'm going to index data for Ethereum mainnet and Arbitrum mainnet. Rest right now will be commented out. pnpm dev. You need to start the Docker, so keep that in mind. Let's see what happens. What is this for? I am confused because oh okay, these did we get any other error? These are for different networks, you see. So for now just we can ignore those. L- Let me open this. Localhost 8080. Docker container is running, so we should see some details here. And intent aggregate, and we just want count. Let's see what we get. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Now I just want to see a single intent and what things are there. Okay, let's run it. Filled false. Okay, now I see that there is an issue because if filled funds deposit filled relay of a particular ID is, what do we say, is indexed before, so filled relay event of deposit ID is indexed before funds deposited, then we'll just get use data that is not very useful for us. This is a logic error in our code. So let's go to docs.eval nvo hyperindex arbitrum and then unordered something. Unordered, yeah, unordered multi-chain mode. So what is this? Indexer process event as soon as they are available on chain without waiting for other chains. Okay, events will be processed in order. Okay, maybe we should look into this. What's happening right now is, yeah, you see, this is a, can we search for 1_24161? Okay, or we can also see where filled is true. Okay, there isn't even a single intent. That's true. We need to change logic for this handler where we push empty, what do you say, where we push empty intent, uh, empty data for filled relay, and hopefully, can we see if already, okay, and we need to remove this because if we create an intent here and then funds deposited get indexed, we have an issue on our hand. Okay. Oh, sorry. You guys couldn't see. Yeah, I was saying this. I was looking at this part where if we, right now the issue is we might index filled relay before funds deposited event, and that's not a great way to go about it. So what we can do is we can create an intent with empty data. or just like, I don't know what to call it. Okay, let's see. We have all of this, and we are updating the intent and setting it here. If not intent, then we'll just say we can keep the one, but actually set the event, set the intent. Set the intent with dummy values as filled relay event might get indexed before funds deposited event while indexing old data. Let's create an intent, dummy intent. Dummy. Fee amount 0. Oh, this is float, right? No, we can just say 0, 0. Hopefully this is correct. No, we can just say event dot param dot input amount, event dot params dot output amount. Timestamp is will be 0. We can't do anything about it. Okay. I guess we need to move this outside. So if this is not equal to undefined, we want to execute this part. If it is, then we'll just same relay is used before updated intent. Okay, let me just close all of this. Yeah, I thought so. Give me a second. It's taking, it's loading. Let me close it and come back again. I guess I need a new PC, otherwise this will keep happening. Sorry, the VS Code window crashed. Don't know why, but maybe just because of the machine being old, maybe. Or I don't know. Docker is not running, so that's not an issue. Sorry. I guess I know the issue. My VPN was running, and VPN with all the rest of the windows just created an issue. What's the issue here? Oh, now everything is correct. Hopefully, let's. So, wait. If its intent is undefined, then we are adding this, right? But intent was emitted. So we need to set all of these things. Destination transaction hash is set, then filled timestamp. That's done. Resolved by, that's done. This is here. So all these are correct. And now we need to change this, where if we get an event, we should still have all of this, but create this part. Sorry, use spread operator for rest of the things. Can we say const? No, const existing intent. Then we'll say existing intent if is not undefined, and then const intent equal to existing intent. We can put this filled. It's already filled, so no issues. Let's pick this up. Context set intent. Oh yeah, we need to say return, so it won't go beyond this. Let's see, pnpm test. So we have one error which is about this part, source intent, source transaction. Let me go to tests. Updates an existing intent as filled. Okay, okay. There is some logical error here where let me console log something. Console log event is event no does event exist question mark. Let's run it and see. Oh, okay, after this it should say like return. So we are assuming there is an event and we haven't written we haven't. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. So what I was saying is we have a written test for this. We don't have test for this part. We should change this. Okay. Filled relay event is indexed before we should add warning here also. We don't want this warning. We want, yeah, filled relay works. Filled relay event is indexed before funds deposited event for ID this, updating the dummy data that was added for, while creating this intent in filled relay handler. Okay, that's good enough. I want to see how the how to see coverage for this part. Do we have any coverage here? Block coverage? No. Ah, we can go to this indexers and see if they have added how to see the coverage. not here. Why they are using the chest? Okay, that I guess jest is used for they are using just for testing. Okay, anyway, let's run this again. What should we name this? Should we updating an existing intent? No, not as filled. In funds deposited handler. So database, that we know this, we need to create mock database. Then we can create an event, filled relay event, and then create the funds deposited event. Okay, this part is done. We have split the tasks into multiple smaller tasks. Let's see if it processes correctly or it throws an error. Const updated mockdb. Okay, right now we just want this test to run, so we need to add only tag, only method. I don't know what to call it, but something along those lines. Sorry, not def, pnpm test. Okay, that works. So in the handler, what we are doing is field relay, field relay event is indexed with, yeah, we got the correct console log or console one. I don't know. Let's see. For source, we'll just say empty string. We can do the assertions. Assert. What should we check? First, let's put this on the side. We can check for all these values. Deposit ID, field flag, depositor, recipient, then chain ID, destination chain ID, source transaction hash, destination. Okay, source transaction hash, which should be empty string, exclusive relayer, deadline is set to 0. What are we doing here? No. Fill deadline. We can update this. Maybe we should update this. Event dot params dot exclusivity deadline. Oh no. Created timestamp should be 0. Yeah, this part we need to change. Exclusivity deadline. Input token, input amount, output amount. Created timestamp will be 0. Fee amount 0. Relay undefined. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Assert strict equal to. No. Let me check what we are using. Yes, strict equal to. Then we get the intent. We need to get the intent. Const intent equal to updated MongoDB intent entities dot intent dot get. then origin chain ID. Let's see. Yes, I guess that's correct. Now we'll say intent should exist. We'll assert that first and check for intent dot deposit ID. Okay, let's see if at least these two assertions work or not. Okay, they do work. Next is assert strict equal to, no, it should be true. It's big end, okay. Or no, we should do what we have done for rest of the test cases, which is converting it to big int, the number to big int. Okay, sorry about that. I guess I forgot to remove the Chrome tab, but you might have seen this part, this one. So I'm working on this only. So there is no issues. There won't be any issues. Should be empty. Yes, created timestamp will be 0 for now because filled relay event is getting indexed before funds deposited. That's why. Okay, with this done, let's run the test again. Precision input. It should be undefined for now. Okay, all this is working. Next part is creating the funds deposited event and doing all the assertions again. Let me see. We have this. We're gonna create a mock event, and that event will have all these values, right? Then we want to process it. So const this done. Let's at least run this. Okay, so correct branch is getting called. That's a good thing. Now the assertions. What are we changing here? Deposit ID. So these are the values we are changing, right? So we should check these in assertion. No, we want to check deposit ID, then depositor, recipient, next is chain ID, destination chain ID is arbitrum. Now source transaction hash. Source transaction hash equal to event mock event dot transaction dot hash. So that's one of the things which changed. Exclusivity layer, exclusivity deadline. Then we exclusivity deadline is done. Input token, output token address is done. Now three parts are remaining. Input token amount, output token amount, and created timestamp. Let's see. Yes, everything is working properly, or as I expected at least. What else? Yeah, this is done for funds deposited, which we made changes here also, right? Oh no, that part does both the things. We tested this with assertions in the first part, these assertions, and we tested this branch with assertions in the second part. So I guess we are good to go. PNPM test. Let me open package.json. For testing we are using TS Mocha, right? It's saying yarn add. We do have Mocha. Yes, we do have that. No, PNPM PNPM add nyc dash dash save dev. And for coverage, let's add coverage we need to add a file called no, we need to add section in package.json called nyc extensions. This includes there is no dash. PNPM build okay, we need to change this part for what we are doing. Let's use this and add a context. So can't we just add a whole project to this? Show me how to get coverage. Hopefully it returns something decent. Okay, let's remove the nyc part. Run pnpm coverage and get some errors. New file nyc.config.js or nycrc. source ts. Yes, no, this should be still no. Packet.json. NYC Mocha. Do we have configuration for testing that I can use as a reference? I don't know. Or at least I don't see it here right now. NYC Mocha Node.js. npx nyc. Can we np pnpx nyc mocha? It will result in same thing. Oh, we got an error. Okay, our tsconfig doesn't produce source map. Then we can run this pnpm add dash dash sev dev. We need to update our .nycrc file to this and run our coverage command. Okay, don't know about this. Okay, we are doing something wrong because at least few of the lines should be covered, right? If not all. Okay, we need to change the coverage config to see what's happening. I guess that's for tomorrow. Right now, what we are gonna do is, yeah, end the stream because we worked on the part which was giving us an error. This one where filled relay events were getting indexed before funds deposited, and that error should be resolved. At least we have done the testing for it. So let's see what happens. And hopefully you enjoyed the stream. If any of you are watching, if not, let me know. If yes, also let me know through Twitter DMs or in the YouTube comments, whatever you like. If you have any suggestions on how to improve the stream, I'm open to it. Uh, Shoot me a DM on Twitter. And see you guys tomorrow. Same time, working on finding the coverage for our tests. So yeah, see ya. Have a nice day. Bye.